Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see ninth lesson, cooking. Humans eat uncooked as well as cooked food. The raw or uncooked foods that we eat are mostly fruits, vegetables, pulses, and dairy products like butter, cheese, or curd. On the other hand, we cook different grains, vegetables, and meat. We should wash vegetables and fruits before peeling and chopping, or else their nutrients will be lost. Cooking. Initially, early humans did not know how to cook. They ate uncooked food. It was only when early humans accidentally discovered fire that they started cooking their food. Why do you think we cook our food? We cook our food to make it tasty. Cooked food is healthier as the cooking process kills the germs in the food. Some types of cooked food do not spoil fast and can last longer. Cooked food is also easy to digest. However, some useful nutrients are lost due to cooking. Fuels for cooking. Fuel is the substance that you burn to make a fire. The fire produces heat to cook food. Earlier, dry twigs, leaves, and broken tree branches were used to make fire. Then, people started cutting trees to burn wood as fuel. Even today, in many areas, people use wood as a fuel. Later on, people discovered charcoal. It is made of burnt wood and is a very good fuel. With the discovery of mineral oil, people started using it as fuel. Kerosene and then liquefied petroleum gas or LPG became the most powerful fuel. LPG can be stored in cylinders and used in our kitchens. It does not produce smoke like wood or charcoal. It does not even smell bad like kerosene. However, both kerosene and LPG use up a lot of our Earth's natural resources. Also, burning kerosene causes pollution. Nowadays, some cooking equipments use electricity instead of traditional fuels. But in the future, we should start using solar energy for cooking. By using the energy of the sun, we will not need to burn fuel at all. This will help to reduce pollution. Types of stoves. For different types of fuels, we require different types of stoves. From the given pictures, can you tell which stove is used for which fuel? Types of vessels. To cook food, you need a vessel. Vessels used in kitchens are called utensils. Depending on the kind of stove we use and the kind of food we are cooking, we need to use different types of vessels. For example, we can't boil milk on a griddle or tawa. Similarly, you can't make a chapati in a frying pan. Here are the pictures of some commonly used utensils in an Indian kitchen. These utensils can be made of many different materials. The most popular are aluminum, iron and steel. However, utensils are also made of other materials like clay, copper and glass. Different eating practices. People all over the world eat food made of the same basic ingredients: wheat, rice, pulses, vegetables, spices, herbs and meat. However, the way they cook their food is different. Food should be cooked in such a way that nutrients in it are not lost. For example, in India, we make chapatis out of wheat flour, while people in Europe and the Western countries make bread out of it. Similarly, in India too, people of different regions have different eating habits. In North India, people eat more wheat than rice. In South India and Eastern India, people mostly eat rice. In areas near the ocean, seafood is more popular. In Western India, millets, jowar and bajra and gram flour, besan, are used more than in other areas. Food is cooked in mustard oil, coconut oil, peanut oil, sunflower oil and ghee. Different people, different food. The amount of food we eat also differs from person to person. The food requirement of a child is very different from that of an adult. Children are constantly growing and need a lot of nutrients. It is important for them to develop strong bones and muscles during the period of growth. Growing children need 3 nutritious meals a day, as well as plenty of milk, fruits and green vegetables. For this, we finished our lesson, cooking. Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. Thank you.